Hi everybody, welcome to MKV's Max Coaching for Class 10 students. In this exercise, we are going to find out sum of n terms. In our previous exercise, we have found the value of nth term of AP by using the an formula, which is a plus n minus 1 into d, right? So, but in this exercise, you're going to find sum of all the numbers in the series. Okay, suppose the given series is 2 comma 4 comma 6 comma 8 up to 100 na. So I have to add every number to get the SN value. 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 plus 6 is 12, 12 plus 8 is 20. Likewise, I have to add every number. Sum of all the numbers in a given series is called SN. But we cannot directly add, no, it will be very difficult. So we are using the formula. SN formula is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d, which is very important. And a is the first term, d is 4 minus 2, that is second term minus first term is d, and n is the last term. Okay, and also we call the n as L, last term. Okay, and in some of the question they used to give the value of an directly or the value of L directly. Okay, so in some of the question they used to give an value directly or L value directly. So in that time you can use these two formulas so that you will end up with the answers very quickly with two steps. Okay, so if there is no data on an or L, you can go with this big formula. Okay, otherwise you can use these two formulas to get the easy calculations. And I want you to write these three formulas in your side column in your practice note, and write down the fourth formula as an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Why I'm telling you to do so means, so I'll be starting the exercise 5.3, first Roman, second Roman. Most of the questions will be like very tricky to analyze which formula I should take to get the answer. You have some confusion on choosing the formula. That is why I'm going to give you the trick how to choose the formula. So for choosing the formula, I want you to write in your side column all these three formulas with an formula as the fourth one. Okay, so now the first question is, find the sum of APs 2 comma 7 comma 12 up to 10 terms. Always remember, up to 10 terms means this is number of terms, not the last value. Okay, if it is last value, you will be given dot 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 up to 10, like last value will be 10. But here 2 7 12 to 10 terms, right? 2 10 terms means totally 10 terms are there, which is n value is 10 here, and a is 2, d is 7 minus 2 5. Okay, so n is 10, and you have a d n, right? So you can use the big formula. Why I'm using the big formula? Because I didn't have an or L value, so I'm using a n d is given, right? To find s and no, if you know a value, n value, d value, you can use this formula to get the s and value. Okay, just substitute in the formula. S and you need to find it out. Instead of n, what you need to substitute? N is 10, so s 10 is equal to 10 by 2. 2 into a value is 2 plus n minus 1 into d. N is 10 minus 1, d is 5. Just substitute and calculate. 10 minus 1, 10 minus 1 is 9, 9 5 is 45. So 5 into 49 will give you 245. So sum of 10 terms is 245. Okay, so next question is also the same type. Minus 37 comma minus 33 comma minus 29 up to 12 terms. So remember, always remember TO, like up to 12 terms, up to 15 terms means this is number of terms n. Okay, this is not the last term an, this is number of terms n, and a is minus 37, d is minus 33, minus of minus 37 will give you 4. Okay, so now substitute a and d is there, no? So you can use the big formula, right? Can you check the side column? So what is the known value? So this known value satisfies this formula, right? Since you have n, a, d in this formula, you can directly substitute in this formula to get the value of sum of 12 terms. So you'll be getting sum of 12 terms as minus 180. Just substitute it by yourself. Okay, so the third question, they have given the decimal. Here 200 terms means n is 100, a is 0.6, d is 1.1. The same type you have to substitute in the SN formula. S 100 equal to 100 by 2. 2 into a value 0.6, n is 100 minus 1 into d is 1.1. So this will become 99. So multiply this and this, you will get 108.9, and you add up this, you will be getting like this. And if you multiply, I'm getting 5505. Sum of 100 terms is 5505. Okay, so the next question is in the form of fraction. A is 1 by 15, N is 11, and D is 1 by 12 minus 1 by 15 will give you 1 by 60. Okay. So when you have A value, N value, D value, choose the formula Sn. Okay. For finding the sum of terms. Okay. So choose the formula Sn, which is in the big formula. N by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Just substitute and calculate. You will be getting 33 by 20. So sum of 11 terms is 33 by 20. So try by yourself and you'll be getting sum of 11 terms as 33 by 20. Kindly subscribe to our channel to get more videos on important question types of Adi Sharma and previous year question papers. So stay connected to our channel, students. See you next class. Bye bye.